If Xbox has one thing going on is the fact that they, besides Game Pass, is the fact that they create some of the best peripherals on the market. And we just got the Doom The Dark Ages limited edition controller, and this thing is just absolutely gorgeous. They also released a limited edition Elite controller as well, which I did not pick up. I didn't think it was the best design or the most interesting design for me personally, but what I did pick up as well was their brand new Xbox console skin, which we are going to be unboxing in just a second. Now, the new Doom game is coming out very soon, and I am very excited because I actually had just finished the first Doom last year. I know a little bit late, and started Doom Eternal not long ago. So I'm looking to finish that one. And then we're going to be using this controller to finish the brand new Doom game, which is coming out very soon. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and yeah, let's unbox this thing. The first Doom since Doom 3 in 2004 came out in 2016, successfully rebooting the franchise. It was actually released for the PS4 and the Xbox One. It was insanely praised by critics and players, and then they followed it up with Doom Eternal, and now the Dark Ages is coming out this year. The gameplay is at its core the same as it's always been, but upgraded and elevated, and that's what makes it so good still. It's just like the original release, but better. Now, this controller is beautiful and definitely one of my favorite designs recently, matching Doomguy's marine outfit with the Slayer mark on the bottom right of the controller and blood spatter on the top left. I thought the design was just printed on the controller, but I was completely wrong, and it actually has the grooves of armor all along the body of the controller, which I think makes it even more special. The right thumbstick is dark demon red and the left one gray, giving it a killer contrast. Now, something that I've never seen before is the different color bumpers and triggers, with the left side being orange, and it gives it an insanely tasteful design and contrast that just works. Middle by the power button, you have these sort of edges that pop out of the controller. This is another detail of mine that I just love. The face buttons that are usually A, B, X, and Y are different. They're actually using the Sentinel alphabet from within the game's world, and it's a really neat detail that makes it stand out. But what really stands out is the rubber grips on the controller. They sort of resemble the body of a football, and I would actually say it has a lot of feel like it. It's so different from your usual ones that it even feels as though it has a better grip than any other controller I've tried out there. Now, this might be one of my favorite limited edition Xbox controllers made to date, and considering that Doom isn't one of my favorite games, that says a lot. This is the kind of love and detail that needs to go into every limited edition release from Xbox. I think whoever had part in this design absolutely crushed it. Now we have the console wrap, which features a bright orange and red mark of the Slayer. The rest is gray and sort of black. It's beautiful, and it has a sort of smooth exterior that actually has the cracks grooved onto the panel, so it's not a sticker, and that's what really sets this apart. The inside, which is scary and insane, has inscriptions and symbols from the game that you usually see in the hell levels and just aren't stuck on like stickers, but actually sketched into the panel. Absolutely insane and beautiful attention to detail with this release. Oh, and it's also super easy to install. Now, Doom The Dark Ages is coming out very soon. Are you guys going to be playing it, or is this something that you're kind of skipping on? I don't know, man. So far, all of the Game Pass titles that have been added lately to me have been complete bangers. I've been really actually enjoying myself, which I'm still trying to get through Avowed, which I'm about 4 days in. Banger game. Haven't played it, go play it. Get Game Pass. It is absolutely such a fun experience, and I know Doom The Dark Ages is also going to be an incredible experience, just like the other past Doom games. And use this as a reminder that the Nintendo Switch pre-order and use this video as a reminder that the Nintendo Switch 2 pre-order is coming out very soon. All right, but with that said, take care, be safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.